to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Good morning, Priceless people. And this is another Cook With Me, Priceless Pearl Life edition. My ribs have marinated for over 24 hours in brown sugar, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Oh yes, and you see it's 5:21 a.m. I'm trying to beat the heat in South Carolina by cooking in my oven early in the morning. Bone side down and time now to cook. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees and it will cook for about 2 to 2.5 hours. So after about 2 hours, I pulled out one rack of ribs because I cooked 3 of them. And this one is for Mom. So I'm checking it and it's not falling off the bone quite yet. So back in the oven it will go. So after about 30 to 40 more minutes, I pulled out this rack of ribs and this pan. This is for my brother and I. And as you can see, it's just right. Now time to pour off all of that liquid and add our favorite barbecue sauce. Are you ready to eat? Because I'm ready to eat. So I'm adding enough sauce, but not too much. I don't want to oversauce them, but my ribs are going back in the oven on broil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, this is oven cooked ribs. Do you see these ribs? Whew. I was looking around for a napkin, and then I realized, man, we're family, so let me just go ahead and lick these fingers. If you like this kind of content, make sure give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Share my video so it gets out to more YouTube watchers. In fact, let's get this video to 100 likes starting now. You already hit it? You clicked the thumbs up? Well, thank you so very much. And we will reach this milestone together. Every time you watch, you share, it helps my channel be pushed out to more YouTube watchers. Hence, the possibility of more YouTube subscribers. And we're doing it together. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, all of my loyal subscribers, for coming back week after week. I'll see you real soon because you know videos are posted Tuesdays and Fridays, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join me on Twitter at Pastor J, the AKA. And on Facebook, it's the Priceless Pearl Life. And on Instagram, it's simply Katrina Johnson. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.